This is 84 plus acres of fields, trails, and waterfront living centered around a timeless 1700s farmstead. Village View Farm is a rare opportunity to own a property where history, natural beauty, and future potential come together in one extraordinary setting. The 84 plus acres offer exceptional versatility. Whether your vision includes horses, hobby farming, recreation, or simply preserving open space around you, the property provides room to create it. A network of trails winds through the acreage and leads all the way to the St. George River, adding another dimension of lifestyle and enjoyment. With 450 plus feet of private river frontage, the property offers a peaceful waterfront setting, ideal for fishing, relaxing, camping, or simply enjoying the quiet sounds of nature. At the center of the estate stands the historic farmhouse dating back to the late 1700s. Rich with character and scale, the home offers 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, with the potential to function as 2 separate living units. That flexibility makes it especially attractive for multi-generational living, guest accommodations, or creative income opportunities. Meaningful updates have already been completed, blending comfort with historic charm. A brand new high-efficiency propane boiler heating system was installed in October 2025. All windows have been replaced for improved efficiency, while a renovated kitchen adds modern function to the heart of the home. 2 updated bathrooms further enhance everyday livability, while additional spaces remain ready for your own finishing touches and design vision. Infrastructure adds significant value, including a 5-bedroom septic system, plus an additional septic already in place for a second dwelling or expanded compound. If you've been searching for acreage, river frontage, and a property with real history and endless potential, Village View Farm is a standout opportunity worth exploring.